In this video, we'll explore how you can customize the spectral plots in Chroma's Spectra viewer, making it easier to visualize your data. Let's start by toggling between viewing data as percent transmission, percent %T, and optical density OD. On the left side of the plot, simply click between the percent %T and OD buttons to quickly switch your display mode. You can also easily adjust your viewing range by changing the wavelength range of the x-axis and the y-axis range for percent transmission or optical density. Simply enter your desired range at the top of the plot. For instance, let's change the wavelength from 400 to 600 nanometers and the y-axis to 50 to 100% transmission. To simplify your plot view, you can quickly show or hide specific spectra. In the legend, click the eye icon for an item to toggle, showing or hiding the item. This is great for reducing visual clutter as you focus on individual items. You can also customize the appearance of each item to make your plots easier to understand. Click the colored dot or pencil icon for the item in the legend to open the Edit Spectrum Details window. Here you can adjust the name, stroke, and fill of the item. This feature can help you differentiate between similar spectra. And if you want to return to the default appearance, you can easily reset your changes. Either click the Reset button in the Edit Spectrum Details window, or use the three-dot menu in the legend and select Reset Color. Customizing your spectral plots in Chroma's Spectra viewer is quick and intuitive, giving you control over how you visualize your data. Give it a try today at chroma.com/spectra-viewer and see for yourself.